Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku daily analysis for gold for Tuesday, May the 25th, 2010. Well, a continuation of the trend to the upside. We have a candle once again making a higher high and a higher low. And if we look at this in bar chart terms, we look at the range, the distance between the high and the low compared to the previous, the range has contracted a bit. And that tells us that the buyers aren't as eager as they were on the previous trading day. Now, having said that, though, we have a green body candle, and that tells us the buyers have shown some net bullish progress on the day between the open and the close. But the amount of progress that they made compared to the previous day's trading, when we compare the size of the two bodies, is smaller. And that's not necessarily what we want to see as an uptrend moves on its way. So that does raise a little bit of doubt about potential for a change of trend. Now, having said that, though, the market did close up towards the high, and that tells us that the bulls have closed in control of this market. So that works against the notion that there is potential for a change of trend. Also, we have a shadow on the bottom, and a relatively large shadow compared to the body of the candle, and that represents buying coming in, and it represents the sellers losing the commitment that they had down around those levels, around the low, and then the buyers coming in and buying the market back up. So certainly the sellers have got no strength in this market at the moment, or on today's trading. The trend is up to the upside, and the short-term dynamics aren't supporting the sellers, they're more so supporting the buyers. Now, the market did trade to just around the 1200 region, which we highlighted previously as a potential resistance area. It's held as support previously, where buying came in, and now there is potential for the 1200 region to act as a level of resistance. So the the high of the current candle becomes very important for this market to trade up to here to test the 1227 and potentially the 1250 region where the market traded to previously. Now, there is potential resistance around the Tenkan Sen, which is at 1207, and that, if the market does continue trading up around there, we do need to read the short-term dynamics when the market's trading there, and we'll get some guide as to whether the market may take that out and test the 1227 region. The market is trading up above the cloud, or the Kumo, and also above the Kijun Sen, the pink line here, and that tells us that the market is bullish in the medium term, the Kijun Sen, and the longer term time frame denoted by the cloud and the position to the cloud. The market remains slightly bearish. It's trading in the short term, it's trading down below the Tenkan Sen, but the Tenkan Sen is pointing flat, and that flat Tenkan Sen is now attracting price action back towards it. It's representing the short-term equilibrium that the market's in, where the market really hasn't made any net gain to the upside here past this candle from 4 periods ago. We've just taken it out around that 1200 region. So watch the 1200 area tomorrow, watch the high of the current candle, the Tenkan Sen area around 1207, and also watch the low for a potential change of trend.